to share OOP's basic concepts. 25 questions. MCQ. Question number 1. Which was the first purely object-oriented programming language developed? Small talk. Which of the following best defines a class? A class is a blueprint of an object. Who invented OOPs? Alan Kay. What is the additional features in classes that has no structure? Member function. Which is not features of OOPs in general definition? Duplicate or redundant data. Which features of OOPs illustrated the code reusability? Inheritance. Which of the language does not support all 4 types of inheritance? Java. How many classes can be defined in a single program? As many as you want. When OOPs concept did first came into picture? 1970s. Why Java is partially OOPs language? It supports usual declaration of primitive data types. Which concept of OOPs is false for C++? Code must contain at least one class. Which of the following is not type of class? Start class. Class is passed by reference. What is default access specifier for data members or member function declared within a class without any specifier in C++? Private. Which is most appropriate common on following class definition? Class student int a public float a. Error. Some variable name cannot be used twice. Which is known as generic class, template class. Size of a class is class does not have any size. Which class can have member function without their implementation? Abstract class. Which of the following describes a friend class? A friend class can access all the private members of the class of which it is a friend. What is scope of a class nested inside another class? Depends on access specifier and inheritance used. Which among the following is false for member function of a class? Member function need not to be declared inside the class definition. Which syntax for class definition is wrong? Student class. Which of the following pairs are similar? Class and structure. Which among the following false for class features? Class definition must be ended with a colon. Instance of which type of class cannot be created? Abstract class. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe for more videos like that. Thank you.